Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to react to a post on Facebook using your PC. By following these simple steps, you can express your thoughts and emotions on posts that you find interesting. So let's get started. Step 1. Go to Facebook on your PC. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account to access your newsfeed. Step 2. Scroll down to find a post you like. Take your time to browse through your newsfeed until you come across a post that catches your attention or resonates with you. Step 3. Right-click the like button. Once you have found the post you wish to react to, hover your cursor over the like button. Right-click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various reaction options. Step 4. Select the reaction you want. From the drop-down menu, choose the reaction that best represents your feelings towards the post. You can choose from like, love, haha, wow, sad, or angry. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to react to a post on Facebook using your PC. Now you can engage with the content you come across and let your friends and family know your thoughts and emotions. Remember, you can always change or remove your reaction by simply clicking on the reaction button again and selecting a different option or choosing Remove Reaction. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.